This is 5 McGinnis. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage in Dedham. Great location. You're only about 12 miles to Ellsworth, so maybe 15 minutes. This is the back road to Ellsworth. You could go back out to 1A2, but this is actually quicker. This is owned by a gentleman whose family lives up the street. They've just been working on it. They just finished it. They put a new roof on it. Did a bunch of work inside. It's still kind of a basic cottage, I think, or bungalow is kind of a typical description for it. It does have a mudroom like on the back, but it's also got a mudroom on the front. They just actually poured this front cement walkway. It's kind of neat from that perspective. It's a house without all the size that a lot of people don't need, etc. This has got a nice little place to put, like, a bench, a coat rack, and then it's got a good sized closet here for hanging stuff up. And then from here you go inside. It does have 2 rooms upstairs. I guess it could be a 3-bedroom, but one of them was storage for the owner, and that kind of makes more sense, I think. We'll go up there afterwards. Kitchen, again, cottage style. It's kind of got some unique characteristics for it. The owner exposed these beams, didn't want to hide them anymore, so sheetrocked. It's got the built-in microwave, the bottom freezer, and a dishwasher on that side. And then it's got some pantry space, which they added, which was nice. You can see they've been using it for remodel space, but it's got them. And then like a utility closet on this side. And it's got a kind of oversized living room. It does have forced hot air heat. I can see here, thermostat here. And if you had a table, I think you could do a small one. Like, they left that. Somebody could use it if they want. If not, they take it, but extra cutting space. But somebody could put a table in the middle of the room too, if they wanted to. It does have this kind of oversized living room, which also had a lower ceiling, but they found the beams when they were renovating, and he wanted to expose those. So it's got a much taller ceiling. It's probably 10 feet tall ceiling with the exposed beam. Good sized living room. Typical older place, has a little bit of slant to the floors, but it's big, and they've even got cable on the wall over there, and cable on the wall over there too. So a couple of spots to put a TV if somebody wants to do that. And they added washer dryer hookup on this level, which is nice, instead of going down into the old basement. The basement's got rock foundation and stuff. A lot of these old houses had washer dryer hookups down there, but that not only you have to go downstairs, but of course this is a lot nicer. So a little folding table, and then this could be all first floor living if somebody wanted. It does have a first floor bedroom. The room upstairs is bigger, but I think this would fit a full, certainly, and a queen. Probably without any real difficulty. King would be tight. The upstairs room would take a king-size bed. Again, they exposed the beams, and this has the closet. Pretty good sized closet. It's double-sided, and they also built in some shelving over on that side. So kind of nice from that perspective. And they did redo the bathroom. It's actually got the 2-person size shower, a little bigger vanity, toilet, and then the shower that's got the seat, but it's also easy to get in and out. There's nothing you have to step over. And again, exposed beam here too. It does have replacement windows. And then the mudroom is over on this side. And so you've got an oil tank for the furnace, but then you've also got some storage or tool shop area, that type of thing, kind of what the owner used it for. But it is nice because it does give you some extra storage space or area to putter if you're into hobbies or that kind of thing. Upstairs, we've got, again, either the master bedroom or the second bedroom over on this side. Technically, you have a little space here. You could put something there, I suppose, but it's got the slope. So this is kind of nice because you've got room enough to do, like I said, a king-size bed in here if you wanted to. It goes from both sides. The flooring in here, this carpet is new as well. Does have a closet over here. They haven't done the rod in here yet, but they will do a rod. Notice this is the other closet, so there's some extra closet space there. And they'll do a shelf rod there. So pretty good size. And then on this side is that, again, it's got the cut. You know, maybe you could do a guest bedroom or something in here if you wanted to, but I think it makes for a better storage room. Maybe an office up here if you want to use that first floor as a bedroom. So that completes 5 McGinnis. If you would be interested, it is available immediately. And you can get more information in our rental application at rentbangor.com or give me a call, 974-6606.